Now live a life you love and live a life you live.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man. From around my way, never try to hold back your feelings, but it just wouldn't say. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away.
I know you are fucking me.
Hey Dripcess friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and to my new subscribers, welcome. I'm Dripcess and I upload fashion and lifestyle content.
Too hard and stand too close, you gon' fuck around and drown. Off these waves, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Too hard and stand too close, you gon' fuck around and drown.
So in this video is basically going to be a Sunday reset, basically just getting ready for the new week and everything like that. As y'all saw, I took a shower and I got my nails done, y'all, yesterday, Saturday, which I did do a YouTube short. I'll have it on the screen and then I'll try to link it here too if they allow me to. I don't know if they allow you to link that type of stuff anyway, but yeah, but if they don't allow me to link it, I'm probably just gonna put the clip in right here.
Oh, baby, just do it for you. When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it. Oh no, no.
Yeah, but yeah, I got my nails done, y'all. They're just pink Frenchies. I'm trying to show you. Frenchies, and my toes are this color too. Yeah, my sister did my hair. She curled my hair and everything like that because I did want my hair curled, and she fixed my wig because y'all saw how bad it was looking before. Y'all saw it was looking atrocious, and my sister did what she needed to do and it looks perfectly normal. So I've been doing stuff literally almost all day today. I'm just coming back to y'all late. It's 11:47. Like I said, I'm coming back to y'all late. Like, my hair been done, I been got out the shower, everything like that. I was helping my mom out with stuff, so that's why I'm low-key coming back to y'all late. Not even low-key, I'm coming back to y'all late. Why is the lighting doing that to me? Okay, anyway, but so what I'm about to do now is actually some work for school. Yes, your girl is doing her homework. It's just this take-home test in my English class, which I want to do. And yeah, I'm gonna read the passage, everything like that. And then I was supposed to clean, but that doesn't seem like it's gonna happen because it's late. But basically just like bring my Christmas stuff upstairs in my room because it's been back here. Even though this is like my YouTube room, I don't want to keep this back here long, if that makes sense. But hey, if it doesn't get put in this video, it's okay. But I still got some of my Telesha bags down here. My Skims stuff is down here. And yeah, plus I gotta find my outfit for tomorrow, so I'm gonna put that also in this clip too, which I think I'm probably just gonna wear a sweatsuit. I don't know, I gotta see what the weather is for tomorrow. And then I gotta do a lot of stuff tonight, style some outfits, and then like it's just gonna be a whole lot of, but like it's just gonna be like a little cute like Sunday reset, you know, getting ready for the, why is the lighting like that? Oh my gosh. Okay, is it better? Yes, it is. It's gonna be like a little cute Sunday reset, and you know, just getting ready for the new week, preparing for the new week. And yeah, so let's just get this done because it's gonna be a whole lot of, it's gonna be a lot. Let me go get my Chromebook upstairs. I'm also gonna be eating too because I didn't eat almost all day.
Working on the weekend like usual, way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts.
Okay, so y'all, I'm done the packet. I didn't put it in the laptop or like in the little test nav thing because it's supposed to go on test nav, but I didn't put it in there. I just did the packet itself, and I'm so glad I'm done because Child, yeah, I'm just gonna put it in tomorrow. Because if I put it in early now, they said like tomorrow they'll be able to tell me what I got wrong and like I could fix it up. But like, I'm tired. And yeah, but at least I got the packet done, so while I'm in school I can just put in the answers. And yeah, child, I'm done. I'm tired. I'm over it all. But yeah, that's what I'm about to do, is wrap up my hair. It's 1:46 in the morning, y'all. Look, 1:46. Today's Monday. Today's not even Sunday anymore. And yeah, I'm gonna start editing this video. I just got done wrapping up my hair and stuff. I'm about to put my bonnet on because I can't sleep like this. Yeah, this is just like a little mini Sunday reset. I might vlog a little tomorrow too. I did find my outfit, what I'm wearing tomorrow too. It's just gonna be a little sweatsuit. Yeah, I don't feel like doing all that tomorrow. We're not gonna look crazy, but we just gonna look comfortable and stylish and everything like that. So yeah, so I know what I'm wearing tomorrow. I'm tired. I wake up at 5 anyway, and yeah, so I might vlog a little tomorrow too. So I don't know if I'm still gonna call it a Sunday reset, even though it was a little Sunday reset, you know, basically preparing for this week. But I think I also might vlog tomorrow too, because I like when I vlog my little days or whatever. Hey, I kept steady saying tomorrow, today, because today is a new day. But y'all, I'm about to go to bed. I'm tired. So I'll see y'all later today. And yeah. Hey y'all, today is Monday. And I told you I was going to record tomorrow or later today, because I don't think I have like enough footage. So I'm just like, okay, I might as well just make this a vlog. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, but I just want to show my outfit for today because it's real cute. So I got on this pink sweatsuit set with my white Air Forces, and it's cropped. Like, I really love this because you can crop it or whatever, you know your girl is gonna crop it. Beanie, and then we got the red toffee. 7:22. I just got done taking some pictures. You know your girl be doing some TikToks in the morning and everything like that, so that's what I just got done doing. I'm about to go outside to take pictures real quick, and then we're gonna go to school because we got school today. And yeah, I really like this fit. It's a lot of red and white, but you get the gist. You get the gist. It's real cute. It's a really cute, chill but cute, comfy outfit. You know what I'm saying? It's real bomb. It's real bomb. And my nails look cute too. It's giving very much Valentine's Day. But yeah, yo, that's basically what's going on right now. So I need to go actually, because it's, what time is it now? 7:23. So I'll see y'all. I don't know when I'm gonna see y'all, but I'll see y'all. Oh, I want to put my new phone case on. This phone case on. This is my phone case. I freaking love it. It's time for us to go, but I asked my little sister if she could take my pictures, and she said yeah. It's about to be dark in here, y'all. I look crazy. I look crazy, but it's okay. I got back home from school like 2 something, and it's 3:28, and I got work today. Oh, I'm beating my head like a drum. I got back home from school, and I go to work at 5. So I'm gonna just end this video here. I really hope y'all enjoyed this Sunday reset plus mini vlog. I know this video is short, but I really hope y'all enjoyed and y'all stayed it to the end. And yeah, if you did enjoy, please make sure you leave a big thumbs up. Y'all see my lash? Like, oh, ooh. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that to y'all. I was just gonna rip it off. I'm not gonna do that. Anyway, but yes, I really hope y'all enjoyed. Please make sure you leave a big thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not already. Make sure you subscribe. And yeah, y'all, follow me on my socials too, because pictures are about to come out. I'm about to show y'all how these pictures look, because they look bomb. Like, please don't play with me. Anyway, but yeah, they look so bomb. So go follow me on my IG. Why? Follow me on my IG. Why? But yeah, go follow me on Instagram, dripcess_, and I'll see y'all in the next video.